Hello once again, imperfect people. Dave here at Dick Huvar's. 2020 Ram 1500 Crew Cab Patriot Blue. You know, it's the 4th of July this weekend. Do you want to say the Pledge of Allegiance before you get inside this Patriot Blue Ram? When customer first got it, we did a drop-in bed liner. We did the side steps. 20-inch wheels, treads good. 36,000 miles, mostly highway. Rubber floor mats, nice dark cloth interior, heated seat and wheel. This is what we call the level 2 package. Of course, that Hemi is right under the hood there in the power barn. Let's see. Power adjustable pedals. Proximity sensors front and rear. This is the stop start technology Hemi, which you could disable if you choose, which means you're going to get better fuel economy. Garage door, transmitter. Let's see if he left sunglasses. Oh, he got them. We're good. The normal 8.4 display, the CarPlay and the rest. Just another fine example of a quality pre-owned vehicle. This is how it got traded in. It's not a mess. It's not like we just cleaned it up to make it look good. Nice truck from the start. All right, I'm just showing you what we got here. Thank you.